Hello everyone, it's Anya from 𝗵𝗵ici𝘂𝗶𝘆 and I'm coming live to you to give you a little explanation of how the massage workshop will be happening, because not everyone has a massage table at home. And yeah, keep watching because I will give you some introduction in what will be happening on the workshop and what are the do's and don'ts of massage. So everyone has a bed at home, but it's not the perfect position to massage or be massaged. In this case, Alex is rotated, so it can get uncomfortable really quickly. For me as the person who is massaging, I am bent over. In this position, I don't really have much ability to create a lot of strength for my massage, so it gets really uncomfortable and puts a lot of strain on my back as well. If you would straddle your partner, it is exactly the same. You are in a bend forward movement and this gets quite uncomfortable for you as the one who is massaging. A really great way how you can massage your partner is just using your living room chair. So Alex, if you just have a little seat. Perfect. So what you just want to see that your partner is really comfortable and that the height of the chair fits as well with your elbow. So I have a little bit more than 90 degrees. So this is really great for me to massage so I'm not getting sore. If you want to have it a little bit more comfortable, you can do the massage on the couch as well. So Alex, if you have a seat on the couch, please. Thank you. So you can massage from here. You see that she's sinking in, so I have to go a little bit lower. It is not the best position, but it's doable. In this case, I would definitely recommend sitting on the floor. So you can actually put some pillows on the floor to make it comfortable for your partner. And then you sit behind your partner, and then it's again a better position. Your knees are there so that your partner can actually lean against it, so it's comfortable for your partner and for you massaging as well. In the workshop, I will teach you the basics on how to do the massage and how to massage seated, because that is the benefit. You can take it everywhere in the house and be really comfortable doing the massage and being as well comfortable receiving the massage. So if you haven't got your ticket yet, go and get on 𝗵𝗵ici𝘂𝗶𝗆.com.au to get your ticket to our Valentine's Day massage course on the 13th of February. See you there.